If you're tired of spending hours and hours on your WordPress website and you're not making any money with it, I have a solution. I've been in the online training business since 1995, 25 years. I built a complete turnkey WordPress system with every tool you'll need to succeed. Yoast, SEO Premium, Astra Pro, Elementor Pro, and tons of other premium software, in-demand software that you'll need. So watch what I'm talking about. If you go to my website, Opportunity University, you could basically get a free video training series, the roadmap to a six-figure income within the next 12 to 15 months. Now, if you think what I'm saying is total horse malarkey, then stop the video right now and go do something else. I have over 57,000 students that I've curated since 1995. Let me share with you, one of my current students, Dom, is a 95-year-old World War II vet. He launched a Halloween website on September 24th. He's already made more than $500. Let me share it with you. This is Dom's website. If you go there, there's a greeting from Dom. Everything on here is designed to make money because Dom is basically earning by not selling. He's offering value. Here is Dom's Christmas website. Now, he launched just 3 days ago. He's already made a little bit more than $200. I have students that earn $10,000, $20,000. In fact, I have a handful of students that earn more than six figures a month. Now, it didn't happen overnight. These are students that have been with me for 3 to 4 years. It's all about working smart, and it's about niche websites. You don't want to have one website that sells everything. So I have a complete turnkey system. You'll have access to everything. Hosting, domain names. If you want to add your own domain name, you can do that as well. But I have this down to a science. I've made a lot of mistakes back in 1995 when I was online. Wasted a ton of money. So my objective right now is to keep you out of trouble, keep you working smart, and teach you how to earn with your WordPress website by not selling. Now, watch this. I also give all of my students the opportunity to earn by offering my turnkey packages. So as an example, this is selling without selling. So on all of my students' websites, there's custom banner ads. How would you like to get a website like this? How would you like to get a store like this? So let's understand something. I'm going to bring up a calculator and share with you the opportunity that I'm about to offer you. So my 5 niche website package goes for $299 every 3 months. I'm going to gladly pay a student 20% of that. So if you have, now I have a package for 7. You can get 7, you get the Christmas and Halloween websites for free when you sign up for my 5-site package. So let's think about something. I don't want to fill your head with nonsense, but if you had 7 websites, the opportunity and likelihood of you basically offering 2 of my sales a month, 2 of my 5-site packages. So the last time I checked, 2 a month times 12 is 24 at the end of the year. So that's 24 at the end of the year, and the person that bought my websites from you, I'm going to pay you 20%. So that's 24 times $299, 4 times a year. That's $28,000 gross revenue. I'm going to pay you 20%. Now, that's not retirement money, but are you making $5,000 now with your WordPress website? Probably not. But wait, it gets better. I have basically developed a affiliate program that when you sell to, say, somebody named Ralph buys my turnkey website from your website based on your banner ad, I'm going to pay you 20%, which I just demonstrated is $5,000 if you only sold 2 a month in the next 12 to 15 months. Okay, this is not get rich quick. This is not rocket science. Earning online is about 2 things. A, stop selling. B, treat it like a serious business. Most people fail because they just give up after a couple weeks. Now, I developed a system that you can actually make money from the person on 1 level down. Let me share with you what I'm talking about. So I just explained that if you sold to Ralph, you're going to make 20%. Now, I only offer this to my students. They're the only people allowed to offer my turnkey system, my paying students. So if Ralph sells to, say, Jessica, you're also going to make 20%. So let's see how that would work. Again, using the 2 system a month, if you only sold 2 of my packages a month. So 2 times 12 is 24. Those 24 people are going to have the same opportunity that you have. And if they sold 2 a month, that number becomes 24 times 24. That's now at the end of 12 months a year, you're now responsible for 576 people. that they pay $299 every 3 months, times 4. That's $688,000 gross revenue that I'm going to gladly pay you 20%. Oh, I'm sorry. Do I have your attention now? Yes. It's all about numbers and it's all about opportunity. So if you're struggling out there to make money and you're trying to figure out WordPress, I have all the free training you need in the back end of my WordPress websites. But more importantly, I've been doing this teaching software for 33 years. I know how it works. I want you to start working smart. My objective is to get you working less and earning more. And that will happen if you log on and watch my roadmap to 6 figures absolutely free. Thank you for being here. My name is Robert Farrell. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020.